Yup, y'all know the vibes, the smooth lifetime, and we are back with another video, man. I said we are back with another video, man. How my smooth life has been. Yeah. Man, y'all go ahead and like the video, man. And if you new, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're a subscriber, thanks for being a smooth lifer, man. And keep watching the show, the channel, man. We're gonna get right. But we have a problem today. I scratched my paint twice, plus rock chips. I did it myself with the lawnmower. So y'all know I had to order me some of that El Deco, man. What is that? WA131X? That's that lemon peel. That's that lemon peel for Lola. That's that GM color right there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I've never did this before, but I know it has a clear coat. It has the paint, the abrasion kit, and I think that's it. And it has something else in here, but hey, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna try it on my car for y'all. So if y'all wanna do this, just see what I do. And if I do good, copy. If I don't, make notes, because this is my first time. We're gonna have to pull the car out so we can see the problem first, clean it up, and then pull it back in so no bugs get on it. So y'all watch me do this real quick. So our first culprit is right here. I did that. I did it. It's okay though. I did it. I understand. It was a mistake. But this was a rock chip. This is the next one we're gonna get. On the hood, right, where's it at? Right there. You can kind of see it in person, and I got a couple. Oh, those are bugs. They're bugs. But yeah, I got a couple other rock chips. I have one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna get to these though. These are little. These are small. I feel like it gives character to the car, but we're gonna get it right. Okay, so first I guess we're gonna clean it. Detail spray, water, alcohol swipe. We're gonna begin our process. So let's get right to it. I guess dry it out. Get all the debris out. Add a little bit. My first unboxing of this. So what in the Roger from American Dad? But it's a rocket ship. Abrasion. The clear coat is in there. Pretty sure I'm supposed to sand this down after I wet sand it, but
it smells like the nail salon.
And then pretty sure this is the actual paint. Let's hope we don't up, you guys. Okay, so alright, so I guess the abrasion kit we're supposed to we're back. Okay. We abrased it, whatever. We're gonna spray it again. Wipe off all the excess. So we have the paint. We're gonna do our first layer. I'm nervous cause
he needs some milk.
I'm nervous because I never did this before. So that's the first layer, you guys. All right, we're gonna let that dry for 30 minutes. But we are going to put on a third layer. See how this goes. Three layers of paint, 3.5, or really 4. Okay, 4 layers of paint. I wet sanded it. I wet sanded it with water and this a little bit, but I had to put another layer because I think I sanded it too far. I got my actual paint, but we're gonna put the clear coat over and hopefully that fixes it. If not, we just live with it because I'm not a professional. And honestly, I thought it'd be cool for a video, but I don't think I'm doing too hot to you guys. So it is what it is, though. It's a car, builds character. At least yeah, I'm gonna try to sand it down because I got it to the right height of the paint. I just go in a little bit further, so I'm gonna sand it down, clear coat, and call it a day. Well, you guys, this is kind of the final product. It looks better on camera, but to me, it doesn't really do the job. Probably the worst idea I've ever had. I'm pretty sure I feel like I did the worst that I could, and I do not feel happy about this. So I don't know if I got to get it professionally fixed or to call the people that fix my other scratches. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea, but yeah, I don't feel too happy about this outcome. I mean, it doesn't look too bad on camera, but you can see, like, when I want to see what it look like on my Mac. When I upload it up to my MacBook, it doesn't look that good. I think the camera does it a little too much. Yeah, if you're not a professional with paint layers or clear coat or whatever, I would suggest don't practice on your car. Practice on something else, because I mean, it doesn't look bad on, like, I know it, but it doesn't, like, I don't like these type of outcomes or this look on cars. It just feels like it looked like junkyard type, don't it, babe? Don't like junkyard type?
It's chunky. It's uneven.
It's like, it's uneven, but it's not my fault. It's the clear coat brush. That's all it allowed me to do.
It's not steady. It's very wobbly.
Like,
Loose. So it has a loose.
like you can see it. Like, you can see the parts that I missed, and you can see, like, I don't know. From a distance, you can't tell. I kind of can. That's the finished product, man. I mean, I'm kind of sad. I'm gonna find a way to fix it, and when I do, I'm gonna let you guys know. But I feel like this is good stuff, but you have to be, like, good at paint layers and even it out and all that stuff. Because I turned a little, it was hard to get that little bit of strip. And when I wet sanded it, I sanded off my clear coat in a bigger spot, thinking the clear coat was gonna go on easier, but it didn't go on as an even layer. Like, it was, like, hard to keep it even. And the actual brush that came with the stuff was, like, it was terrible. So if you're looking into this, make sure you have extra utensils and extra stuff. I went through the hard stuff so you guys don't have to go through it, have to mess up your car. So I sacrificed my 2SS for the greater good of you guys. So thank you for watching. I appreciate the subscribing. If you're not new, if you just got it this far, subscribe, man. Like the video. And just know we're going to find a solution. Smooth Life Ties out.